In this reading, we will learn the vocabulary words listed here. The art of cooking.
Cooking is more than just preparing food. It is a way to express creativity, bring people together, and show love to those we care about. I learned to cook from my grandmother. She was an amazing cook who could make the most delicious meals from simple ingredients. Every Sunday, I would visit her and watch as she prepared dinner. She taught me the basics of cooking and shared her secret recipes with me. One of the things I love about cooking is the creativity it allows. You can experiment with different flavors and create something new. Sometimes I change a recipe and add my own twist. This is how I have developed my own cooking style. Cooking also requires patience and attention to detail. You need to follow the recipe carefully and pay attention to things like temperature and timing. A dish can be ruined if you are not focused. I have burned many meals while learning this lesson. For me, cooking is also a way to relax. After a long day, I enjoy spending time in the kitchen preparing a nice meal. The process of chopping, stirring, and tasting helps me clear my mind and forget about my worries. Food also has the power to bring people together. Some of my best memories are of family dinners where everyone sat around the table and shared stories. Cooking for others is a way to show them that you care. I encourage everyone to learn how to cook. It is a useful skill that will serve you for your whole life. Start with simple dishes and work your way up to more complex ones. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. In a world of fast food and busy schedules, cooking a homemade meal is something special. It is good for your health, your wallet, and your soul.